Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to start the second part of your chapter, that is collective nouns. So if the nouns are in a collective form, meaning अगर कुछ भी चीज़ ज़्यादा होगी और एक जैसी होगी तो उसको collective noun कहते हैं. Like in the example it is given, he gave me a bouquet of flowers on my birthday. So what is the meaning of bouquet? Bouquet is a collection of flowers. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. Flock of sheep means a lot of sheep were grazing in the field. The highlighted words are nouns. Bouquet stands for a collection of flowers, and flock indicates a group of sheep. Alright, so flock and bouquet are the collective nouns. A noun that names a collection of persons, animals or things considered as one whole is a collective noun. A fleet of ships, a constellation of stars, a string of pearls, a bunch of keys, a brood of chicks, a crew of sailors, a tuft of grass, a bundle of sticks, a swarm of bees, a team of players. So these are all the highlighted words are the collective nouns. Now underline the collective nouns in the following sentences. The child got lost amidst a crowd of people. So crowd is the collective noun. The shepherd looks after his herd of sheep. Herd. Meenu has lost the bunch of keys. Bunch. The crew of sailors boarded the ship. Crew. The audience listened to the music spellbound. Audience. A mob destroyed the company's new office. Mob. The fleet of ships was waiting at the port. Fleet. It was difficult for committee to come to a decision. Next question. So committee was the collective noun. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate collective noun from the box. Your clothes are in the chest of drawers. He is a member of board of directors. The rabbit was attacked by a pack of wolves. A troupe of dancers will perform at the event. The lorry is carrying a tuft of cotton. Get me a bale of grass from the park. Popo was the leader of a school of fish. The police chased a gang of thieves. Alright, so it is best if you memorize them. So every time when you are using these words, it becomes easier. Whenever you are using a collection, if you use these words like, a bale of grass, so this looks nice rather than speaking a collection of grass, something like that. Alright, next is fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from the box that match with the given collective noun. An army of soldiers, a team of players, a flight of stairs, a suit of rooms, a bundle of sticks, a litter of puppies. Some other kinds of nouns are countable or uncountable nouns. Countable nouns which can be counted are countable, like eggs, books, pencils, boxes, and which cannot be counted are uncountable. Like nouns which cannot be counted are uncountable: bread, food, milk, salt. Though we cannot count uncountable nouns, we can count them in some other manner, like 2 breads is not right, so you can write 2 slices of bread. 3 cups of tea. 2 soaps is incorrect. 2 cakes of soap. Fine, now you have to tick the countable and cross the uncountable. So coin is countable, books is countable, pen is countable, air is uncountable, water is uncountable, bread is uncountable, milk is uncountable, soap is uncountable, but yes, you can definitely put it in countable. In the way it was told, you can use it as countable as well. Alright, dear students, so you can revise the chapter, and in case of any doubt, feel free to ask me. And this is the summary. The common nouns: boy, girl; proper nouns, certain names; abstract noun, something which cannot be touched; collective nouns, herd, flock, something which is a collection. Alright, thank you, my dear students. Bye bye.